RV life is not perfect, and it's definitely idealized on social media.
Now, while we love it, it is not without its problems.
After almost a year on the road, we have a couple issues that are driving us bananas.
So if you haven't yet, hit subscribe and stay tuned for the 5 things that drive us crazy.
Doing the dishes. Now, I know nobody likes to do the dishes, but doing the dishes in an RV is an endless and obnoxious task. So we have exactly what we need. 2 plates, 2 bowls, 2 cups, you get the idea. Which means before each meal, we have to clean the dishes from the previous meal. And also, we have to clean them because we don't have a lot of space to have dirty dishes anyway. So when we do the dishes, we have to have a spot to put the dishes for the drying, but we don't have enough counter space, and let me just show you what I mean. Oh good, the dishes are done, but I'm so thirsty.
So since we're on the subject of dishes, let me talk to you about the other issue that we have, and that's where we keep our dishes. We used to have shelves up here, but that didn't really work. We needed something that not only held our dishes and organized them, but also kept them in place while we were driving. So we came up with these bins, and let me show you why these things drive me crazy. So we have these neat bins that have these dividers in them that help organize our dishes, but these things don't really stay in place that well. So when you go, see, look, I can't even put it back in. So when you go to grab your mugs and then you want to grab a plate, see, it just knocks it out. Or if you want to go get a fork, oh, now my dishes are everywhere. So yeah, we have a place to store them, but they don't stay organized, and we're constantly having to redo this. You want to grab a fork and it takes you 10 minutes. Putting them back is annoying too. All sorts of things. And our Tupperware is just all over the place. Like, it's not even contained. So if you figured it out, if you have unlocked the key to keeping your dishes organized in one place, especially when you're driving, comment on this video. Please let us know, because what we have going is not working.
I miss our laundry room. I really do. And because we don't have a lot of space, we don't have a lot of clothes, and because we don't have a lot of clothes, we have to do laundry about every 5 days. Now, it's not really about doing laundry that's the issue. Laundromat, friend's house, we even have a little egg so we can do it in the middle of nowhere. It's just about the frequency. We are constantly doing laundry. The bed is right by the door, and what comes in the door is dirt and sand. And you know what that means? The dirt and the sand are going into the bed. the bed where I sleep. I sleep in a freaking dirt and sandbox. Would you like to sleep in a dirt and a sandbox? No, you wouldn't. And so what that means is it makes me crazy. It makes me crazy. So every night we shake out the sheets. Sometimes we try to vacuum. We try all sorts of things. But I have to sleep in a sand and a dirt box. That's my life.
I hate how there's no good home for the broom and the mop. With all that dirt and sand that's coming in, we need to sweep all the time. The broom needs to be on hand at any time of the day. We used to keep it outside in the past, but we had to bring it inside, and this area by the bed is the longest space available in the whole camper. So this is where the broom and the mop live, and it drives me insane. You see them all the time. My toe is always hitting them. And I just don't like it. I don't like it. You clean the whole house and it makes it look good. And then you've got this green and blue handle sticking out from the wall. It doesn't look good.
Definitely not the only things that drive us crazy, but certainly the most annoying ones.
We love living life on the road, but it is not perfect.
So make sure to check out our other videos, hit subscribe, like this video, and thanks for watching.
See ya. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Be sure to give this video, I stuttered. Hey everybody.
Wait, do it again. There you go.
Hey everybody. What am I saying?
To follow our adventures.
To follow. Yeah.
It was really good, except for your thumb needs to come up higher. And more animation.
Hey everybody! Thanks for watching! Hey everybody! Thanks for watching! Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to follow along.
Do you know what you're gonna say? We wrote it out.
I got it. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Be sure to like this video and give us a... No. I got it. We'd love to... No, what should I say after subscribe?
Hit the subscribe.
To follow along on our... I got it. To follow along with our tiny house. I got it. Let's stop recording.